Hey all, welcome to my channel and welcome to our series on berries. Today I will let you know few facts of blackcurrants and also you will see me painting the same. But before I dive into the facts, let me ask, how many of you fear to start something new? Many of us, right? Or almost all of us. One of the reasons why new things are scary is that they are new and unfamiliar. While the purpose of this fear is to protect us, it can also stop us from achieving our full potential. The fear of failure is so common because failure is the most readily available option. Success requires a lot of work and effort, and sometimes, no matter how hard you work, you will still fail. It takes a quite lot of mental strength and ability to bounce back, to keep towards your goal despite failures and setbacks. Fear of failure isn't about the failure itself at all. Rather, we are afraid of the shame and embarrassment that come with failure. And that's the biggest reason that held me back from leaving my job as an assistant professor in an engineering college to become a full-time artist. More on this in my next video. Another important factor influencing the fear of failure is perfectionism. The higher the expectations for oneself, the higher the fear of failure. I have this problem too. Perfectionism isn't a problem, but as I told earlier, it sometimes stops us from starting something new. But the good news is that you can overcome this fear. How? For that, you will have to wait for my next video. So, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing it, and also if you are enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up right now to help me out here in YouTube, and also it lets me know that you like to see more videos like this in the future. Now coming back to our series on berries. In my previous video, I have explained how to draw blueberries in different positions and create a composition of your own. I have also shown you my painting process. I paint layer by layer, starting from the lighter value to the darker ones. If you haven't seen that yet, then do check that out later. The link will be given in the description below. Drawing and painting of blackcurrants are similar to that of blueberries, and so I feel there shouldn't be any problem for you to recreate this painting. Let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Now coming to the facts of blackcurrants. Earlier, in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that despite its name, the strawberries isn't a true berry. Neither is the raspberry or the blackberry. But blackcurrants are true berries, with the seeds enclosed in a fleshy pericarp, and they are amazingly high in vitamins and antioxidants. Did you know blackcurrant plants were completely banned in United States until 1966? Why? Was the reason? That you will have to Google out. I hope this session was an interesting one, as it made you realize the real reason behind the fear while starting something new. If you are still in doubt, think over it. In my next video, I will give you a few tips to overcome this fear, and also see me painting another berry from the series. If you are still watching this video, then I would very much appreciate if you give it a big thumbs up, and of course, if you are new around here, why not consider subscribing it? Thank you so much for staying till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.